His mom's name is Catherine. His dad is Chris Johnson, our Channel 3 News photographer, affectionately known as Squeak. This is the story of a baby named Blaze and Blaze's beats of courage.
Blaze was our son. He came 6 weeks early. After he was 5 days old, they found out he had a heart condition called TAPVR, which is total anomalous pulmonary venous return.
Blaze was sent from Sacred Heart Children's Hospital to the Children's Hospital in Atlanta, where he underwent countless procedures, including 3 open heart surgeries.
His first one was at 7 days old, second one was at 4 weeks old, and third one was at 8 weeks, 3 days old.
When the doctors there had done all they could, Catherine and Chris brought Blaze back to Sacred Heart. Dr. Robert Patterson noticed that Mom and Dad were wearing strings of beads around their necks. Chris explained the Atlanta hospital took part in the Beads of Courage project.
You mean to tell me that your son went, and I said, yeah, everything that he went through is on these beads.
Where they had this fantastic program where they actually gave little beads for every act of heroism, small or large, that these kids went through.
Dr. Patterson knew they had to bring the Beads of Courage to Sacred Heart Children's Hospital. He went to the people who could make that happen.
When a child undergoes a blood draw, for example, and has to have a needle stuck into their arm, or as big as a heart surgery, or being on dialysis, or some of the really scary stuff that we sometimes do. And
the child starts their strands with beads that spell out their name. Then each color or symbol signifies a particular medical procedure or milestone. It provides great therapy for the children and encouragement to fight through one more blood draw, one more chemo session, one more surgery. They're a conversation piece of shared experiences with other patients. For parents, the beads have many meanings.
Blaze passed away at 3 months, 11 days.
Blaze's beads of courage hold memories.
Wow, he was so strong and so brave, and to be just such a tiny little baby, and it was amazing just to put it in visual that you can see, wow, my baby went through this. He's so strong.
It was just a visual representation of what he went through.
Blaze's beads hold hope for others.
It's a legacy. It's something, since Blaze did not make it, he made a difference. Look at all these kids and they're enjoying all of these beads. But we're going to know, because of him, he brought this to those families and to those kids.
Angels in Our Midst, brought to you by Sacred Heart Children's Hospital.